Hello friends, how are you? I am Professor S.D. Jitendra, the founder and CEO of GDS International Management College. Today I am going to discuss about the leadership. Before that, I will request you, please do not forget to subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon. Here I am going to discuss the important topic is leadership. And you must be thinking that why we are going to address the most important topic of our life, which we call is leadership. In our day-to-day life, whenever we meet people, we interact, we discuss, and we observe one thing in the people. And what is that observation comes in our mind? Our first observation comes their body language, then we see their dressing, their grooming, their way of thoughts, and the last we think that what sorts of leadership this man is having. In the sense, why I'm discussing with you, because we are all belong to management, and I'm a person who is absolutely having a lot of faith and trust in management. So my focus will be more and more on leadership. So that is why I decided that I should go for the discussion of one of the finest topic of my entire academics is leadership. Friends, here I'm going to discuss the important competencies. Generally, it has been observed, the people, those who are having the leadership quality. So, which are the things which they carry? ऐसा उनके पास क्या है जो वो लोग लीडर बन जाते हैं? क्वेश्चन ये नहीं है कि उनके पास एकेडमिक्स है, क्वेश्चन ये नहीं है कि उनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन ये है कि उनके पास क्या है जो हमारे पास नहीं है. एंड दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस. अभी जो मैंने यहाँ पर जो 4 पॉइंट्स गैदर किया है, कलेक्ट किया है, ये और स्टडी किया है इस चारों पॉइंट पे, इसके पीछे एक रीज़न ऐसा है कि आई एम मेंबर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, नंबर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट, एकेडमिक एज वेल एज प्रोफेशनल. सो इंडियन मैनेजमेंट सेगमेंट्स में हम लोग बहुत बार और मैक्सिमम टाइम वेस्टर्न मैनेजमेंट का इस्तेमाल बहुत करते हैं, बिकॉज वी बिलीव that Western management is the most important management through which we can develop our country or our nation. So as I'm talking on the behalf of India, so my focus will be that we always welcome the Western management. We always look at the country like US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada. Here, why I'm discussing this point and on what is the base? The base is there is one study all over the world and it has been observed. The people, those who are really having the leadership, उनके पास ऐसी कौन सी कंपिटेंसी है जिसके भरोसे वो आज यहाँ तक पहुँच चुके हैं. तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट आता है उनके लाइफ में, उनके करियर में जो लीडर है, जो मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल लीडर इन द वर्ल्ड. बिलीव मी, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग द सक्सेसफुल लीडर इन इंडिया, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग द सक्सेसफुल लीडर इन महाराष्ट्र और मे बी OMP or maybe in Goa or maybe Gujarat and maybe Karnataka. I'm not talking about the state, I'm talking about India, I'm talking about worldwide. So, which is the most important thing they are having? The highest contribution comes from the one thing, and that thing name is vision. The people, the person, the individual, any person who is having vision, believe me, that person can do wonder or excellent in his life. My second question will come, friends. What is vision? Whenever I conduct a session in the industry, people ask me, sir, what is vision? And at the same time, I also ask the question, what is vision? When the question comes, when the answer comes, answer is your ability to see the future. So many people say, sir, vision means your ability to see the future. Friends, here I'm going to add one more thing. It is not your ability to see the future. What is vision? Vision is your ability to see the future where others cannot see. If everybody see, that cannot be vision. Like many people, those who are having ordinary profile, they only know what is going to happen the next week or maybe next month. And everybody knows what is happening in the next month and next week. But the people, those who are having leadership skill, they know what is going to happen after 5 years. What is going to happen after 10 years. And believe me, this vision only they have because only they can see where others cannot see. If everybody sees what is going to happen after 5 years, that cannot be vision. And how you are going to complete your vision? Through your strategy. Maybe in future, I'm going to come with the new video exclusively based on strategic vision, because this is vision which plays or contributes a lot of percentage, a lot of importance to your leadership. Now, my second point which I'm going to discuss is inspiration. What is inspiration? Inspiration is your ability to inspire. Many people have one confusion and they ask question, sir, is inspiration is same or is better, or motivation is better, or both are same? First what they ask me, first question they ask me, sir, inspiration अच्छा है या motivation अच्छा है, या दोनों एक ही है? अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं ये दोनों एक ही है कि अलग अलग है? So I know your answer, because you people are very academically sound people. So those who are very much in academics and business and in industries, they always say motivation is having short expiry. Inspiration is having long expiry. As I'm purely a pharmaceutical person, when you go to a medical shop and whenever you purchase a medicine, you always look at the expiry date of that medicine. And while looking at the expiry date of the medicine, you can tell whether this is a short expiry or long expiry. So inspiration is of long expiry. Now, once you come up in your age, in the sense, once you complete your SSC or once you complete your HSC, it means 10th standard and 12th standard, or many time up to your graduations, directly, indirectly, you started getting inspiration from the renowned personalities, from the great people, from the best cricketers, from the finest artists. You always look at the society and you always feel that I wanted to become like that. I want to be like that. When I ask this question to many students that who has inspired you a lot, and the normal answer they give that I am very much inspired by my mother and my father and my brother and sister. Believe me, this is not a right answer, because our Indian culture always teaches that look at your parents as an inspiration. Look at your father, look at your mother, look at your brother, look at your sister. So it is a very common thing. I don't believe that is inspiration. That is the influence of our culture. But when we talk about the great artist, the great film star, the great sports person, the great politician, the great scientist, and once you feel that I should be like this, I should become like this. There is one study has been done. Who has inspired a lot in nowadays in modern society? The first name comes is Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our president, ex-president of India, who has lost his life while delivering the lecture only. If you read Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, believe me, any person can inspire. Any person. That person will feel that I should become APJ Abdul Kalam. Friends, my video of leadership is very bigger. Bigger in the sense I have divided in two parts. This is the first part I am going to complete now, and maybe very soon I am going to introduce my second part or second video on exclusively leadership. So the point which I am going to remain is controlling and decision. I am going to explain you in my second video. So once again I am requesting you, please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Everything, all the details is available in our descriptions, mail ID, contact numbers, cell number, telephone numbers, everything is available. And the last, please do not forget to press the bell icon. I will say thank you very much. All the best. Have a nice day.